You search for how to buy shares of BWX Technologies Inc. I will show the steps to find and buy BWXT, a company that manufactures nuclear components and reactor-related services. BWXT is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BWXT. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds to your account before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BWXT to find the listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing for BWX Technologies Inc. to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the right security. Verify the company name reads BWX Technologies Inc. and the ticker shows BWXT on NASDAQ. Click the Invest or Buy button. Choose the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a limit. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade can be confirmed. Once the trade is executed, you will see the position appear in your portfolio. A link is available in the video description if you want to follow the same steps on eToro.